位置呢喺西營盤地鐵站裏面啊。我今日呢要去呢個 Art Lane 啊，咁啊佢話係 B3 出口，所以呢就由呢個 B 出口行過去先，好似都遠遠地嘅喎。不過呢有呢個扶手電梯，應該會快少少嘅。啱啱路過呢，見到嗰度有個牌寫住，原來行路呢要9分鐘啊！路過呢，見到呢度幾靚喎。So I'm at the Sai Ying MTR station. I'm going to visit the Art Lane, which is some streets of wall paintings. I'm going to the B3 exit. Okay, and let's look at these art pieces before I could arrive to the wall paintings. 咁啊喺我去到呢一個 Art Lane 之前呢，咁就可能望一望呢一紮壁畫先。呢個地鐵站裡面嘅畫，呢個係正街嚟㗎啦。呢個應該係海味街。Is that McQueen? Is that Thomas? But it's red. 為他人嘅安全着想，喺港鐵範圍內，請勿使用滑板車、滑板、滑單車。For the safety of others, use of scooters, skateboards, or bicycles is not allowed anywhere on the MTR premises. 呢個 salon 嚟㗎啦。呢個係燒味鋪。係非常之立體嘅。It is so 3D。There are a few more paintings here as well. 咁呢度仲有1-2幅畫嘅，咁但係呢就唔係立體嘅。But these ones are not 3D.好啦，咁我繼續行啦。So I will keep walking. Maybe I should see you in the next video. So this is the B3 exit.
For safety reasons, you must use the lift if you have baggage or bulky items.
So for anyone who are interested, you may come here and have a visit. 咁希望有興趣嘅朋友可以嚟呢度睇一睇啦，幾靚呢度。